Hey there, my beautiful viewers. Today I will teach you how to make wild orchid. For that, we need kitchen tissue paper that we use in kitchen. So with this one, we'll make a beautiful flowers. For that, we have to cut it according to the size. So here I have started. I'll teach you one by one. Please don't skip the video. Watch it all so that you'll get all the information and you can make it at home. It's very easy. First you have to get that tissue paper and it cut according to the size, and I have a color here, so you have to dip half in one side and half in another side so that we need little space in between. For the stem, I wrap one tissue paper again and I wrap up with this green color so that it looks like a stem. My stem is ready and I twisted all the paper for the flowers and it's look like this. Now you can see all the flowers here and you have to fix it with the glue one by one. It looks so amazing. See, now it looks so amazing. While I'm doing, I just love it because it looks so attractive, so I get urge to make it more. So yeah, so after all this thing, the final look is like that. So you can see my wild orchid, not that perfect, but yeah, because I'm a learner, I'm learning. So hope you guys like my video, so please do comment so that I can improve myself. And thank you for watching. Thank you for being until here. I'm grateful for my all the viewers. Stay tuned. I'll write back with my another video with interesting something crazy.